Is there anything better to make on the Blackstone better than a smash burger? I don't know, maybe so.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Probably.
But I really love smash burgers.
All right.
Especially this one. Guys, welcome to the set. My name is CJ. Right over there is Nate.
Hey.
Right over there is Ethan. And Hulk Smash over here. Today, I've got a fun one for you. We're going to be doing a bourbon bacon jam smash burger.
Dang.
It's going to take a hot minute because the onions and the bacon and that's...
Bourbon bacon jammer slam.
It, in fact, is my jam.
Slammer? Like old Pogs?
Oh, dude.
The bacon slammer? Did they have one of those?
I don't know. But the 8-ball...
That's a good one.
Yeah. Pogs. Who knew?
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
So the components of a bourbon bacon jam is actually pretty simple. It's
Bourbon,
the time.
bacon, and jam?
It is. That's exactly right.
He killed it.
I asked my wife if she's ever had a bacon jam. She's like, on a burger? It's not what you think, but you need a few components. The first being
Onion.
onions.
How about some onions? Oh man, don't cheap on them. Lots of onions.
We've got a bunch of yellow onion here that we've diced up ahead of time. You could use. I would actually say you could.
You're right over there.
I kind of glitched there for a second.
Little glitch.
Woo! It looks like a ton, but it is going to cook down, so give it some grace, all right? The next,
we're coming back?
What I was going to say is you could use various other kinds of onion, and I was debating if I would do a red onion, but you technically could. A lot of bacon.
Could you do shallot?
A lot of, actually, that's a really great option.
Could you do pearl onions?
Yes. You could, I suppose, do pearl onion. Any onion is really what I'm getting at.
You know, not everybody like onions.
Cake! Everybody loves cakes.
We're gonna season up.
Oh my gosh.
So,
I used to say beef and onions is the aroma of heaven.
but maybe it's bacon?
It might be a combination. If there were beef in this, then yes.
Well, there will be later.
See?
So, now, as weird as this is, you just have to sit and wait. Of course, you gotta watch your bacon. You don't want to sit and wait on bacon.
Bacon.
But I suppose you could. That would be a little bad idea to just let the bacon do its thing.
So how long are we talking here? Like 5 minutes? 20 minutes? 20.
20 on the onions, 5 on the bacon. We're ringing and bringing. We'll be back.
2 shakes of a lamb's tail.
And now we wait. It's time for a quick onion and bacon check. It has been
bacon check.
solid 5 minutes. First off, let's look at our onions here. We're starting to get all that caramelization that we're looking
They smell
for.
even better now than they did 5 minutes ago.
Yes, they do. So this would be great for a burger, but we're not going normal onions for a normal burger. We're going to an entirely new level of onion.
Level 5?
Maybe 6. I'm
Maybe
not sure.
7?
We'll see.
Your floor, sir.
Let's talk about bacon now. Oh, yeah, you know what, we're there. I'm gonna kill my heat, and let's give this another toss. And you gotta baby the bacon,
Wait,
man.
you don't mix them together?
Not yet.
Oh. Sorry to rush.
Yeah, you would be.
I never rush.
Can't mess with the bacon. You gotta, bacon love. It's all I got. I
Oh,
said,
I
remember
got
that.
Hey CJ, did you know? Did you know? This is actually Tyler's shirt.
I got it
No.
from Fred.
Okay, but I'll give you a good one. Well, not super good. You know how Rome was with Sublime for a while?
No.
Sublime with Rome.
Sublime with Rome?
I mean, of course.
Yeah. Well, they kicked him out in
Oh.
place of Brandon's son.
Right.
Really?
He's playing now, but to be honest,
not.
it's
No.
fine.
Yeah. He's in by association, and there's something to be said about that.
Sublime
So-
with Rome.
Can't really play the guitar like a...
No. Like a riot?
Yeah.
No, he can't. It's been another 5 to 7 minutes. Let's have a gander. We flipped tossed
7
our
minute
onions a
ab?
couple times. Let's have a look and see.
Was it 6 minute ab?
Oh,
Wow, that's so
dude.
amazing.
And remember how like overwhelmingly large that pile of onion was?
It's at least cut in half.
I'd say it's definitely more than half.
So at least, like I said.
Okay, maybe so. Let's bring it over. Let's bring it all in to Veganville.
Soup it is, soup it is, soup it is.
And let's
Maybe not.
no, definitely not vegan. But this is where we start to see the jam. We got some balsamic vinegar here.
Whoa. Hello, aroma.
Amazing. Don't go anywhere.
I'm not going anywhere.
I've got smoke. Ooh, bro. That
Yeah.
aroma.
So good.
Got a little smoked paprika here. This is going to give us a fun smoky flavor. Paprika. Also got some chili powder. Little chili pea, as they say in Breaking Bad. That's
He
the
says
secret.
chili pea?
Yeah, that's the secret ingredient is chili pea.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm serious about this stuff.
My wife
Really,
doesn't
really
like
good.
it. It was too violent.
Your wife needs to get over it. We got some garlic powder.
Garlic pea.
Garlic pea. And to sweeten this up, you could do a couple options. You could do brown sugar, you could do white sugar, I suppose, but we're gonna do some.
But if you want it syrupy,
oh,
you gotta
you're
add.
kind of on a roll.
Okay.
And the
tried.
survey says, ding, 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 well played. All right, now this needs to reduce for a little bit
Where are we
longer.
at? Oh, low.
Sweet chariot, come forth to carry me home. All right,
Oh, it smells fabulous.
we'll be back in a few minutes, and we're probably at this
Man.
point gonna start.
This is the most like
Building.
breaks in a recipe I've ever had.
I know.
Of yours.
Those who have requested more rings and brings, you're
You're
welcome.
welcome.
Last little bit of magic, and this is a special
Is it real magic?
kind of magic. We've got
Whoa, whoa, bringing out the big guns, this guy.
Bushmills. Oh, dude, this stuff. If you've never
Dang.
had this, I highly recommend it.
FOMO.
Uh,
Fear of missing out.
and we don't have to do this, but it's always fun when we get the opportunity.
Nothing he's doing is cheering me up.
Wait for the onion. Trust me.
I'm gonna do a little flambe, as they say, down by the bay. I just made. Woo! Yeah!
Wow, it's a fire-breathing jam.
Fire breathing jam.
A dragon jam.
Yeah, dude.
Huh? Huh? What did I tell you?
You're right, that's good.
Wow!
Fire, bud.
Watch out.
Oh, that smells gorgeous.
Oh, bro, look at how
Whiskey, bacon, onion.
it's a bourbon bacon jam. I know.
Wow.
I know.
Wow.
All right, let's bring our heat back up over here. We're gonna be back in 3 minutes when this is screaming hot. We're
Wow,
throwing
a lot
some
of
patties down.
Okay, this is like building pieces. You just gotta go slow, you gotta go steady, you gotta...
Dude, we put the time in at the front, and now it's time to get scooting on building this burger.
Let's scoot,
Let's
boot scoot.
do a little bacon scoot boogie.
Okay.
We're gonna get our bacon jam off, get that into a bowl. Now let's clean up our griddle a little bit. I might use those bacon bits here in just a second, but we'll see. We got some tomato, because I feel like it just needed a brightness to it. It's also, it looks really, really beautiful. We're gonna slice up some tomato. We're gonna chop up some lettuce really thin. Don't put the whole piece down. Let's get some gloves on and start making these burger balls. What's the ounce ratio with these? It's like, what, 3 to 4?
You could.
These are gonna be,
pretzel bun you're
this is a
using.
thicker bun, so I'm gonna do not such a thin, thin patty. We're gonna go a little thicker.
Yeah, I like that.
So, yeah, I've got 4, nope, I've got 5. Let's get these over here, and actually it turns out I am gonna scrape off the griddle. That bacon decided to burn on me. We don't want that on our burgers. Move over some of the bacon grease, and let's get to cooking these balls. Now set them down, give them a chance to caramelize before you flip them.
The Fraser special move.
That's what I've heard. Some say nay, I say yay. Let's flip these guys over, and you'll see once you start to smash them, it releases because it's got that little bit of caramelization on it. We've got some bootleg burger that we're gonna season with on this side, and then I'm gonna clean a spot over here. I'm gonna do a little bit of seasoning in the
Why?
fat because it's gonna season the bun.
Okay.
It's gonna be awesome. There's sugar in here, so we might get a little burn, but that's okay. I like a crispy bun. Let's flip our patties and then start to cheese them down. We're doing 2 cheeses today. We've got pepper jack and American.
What,
Pepper
the
jack,
queso?
pepper jack because of that delicious flavor and the heat that we're gonna get from it, but also the American because it's ooey and gooey and what kind of burger. We're gonna pull the buns now. and let's start building. These guys are gonna be so rad. The bottom, we gotta put some mustard down.
Whoa.
I'm gonna go a hefty amount of
speaking of Maniac,
Dijon.
that much?
Dijon is amazing, dude.
Pardon me.
Got some lettuce and some tomato, and then just start building. We got the burgers, and then of course we gotta pile it on with the bacon jam. This is what I'm talking
Dude, with
about.
all that liquid, it
Crown
really
this
held
beast.
tight. That's gorgeous.
Dude, and these pretzel buns are really, like you said, kind of dense, and they're gonna hold up really well to this massive mound of glory. Bro, these are monsters. They are monsters. Normally, I would use a Martin's potato roll for a smash burger.
You need a bit more heft.
I needed a little more heft, obviously, because look at this. I'm gonna go the single patty because should I slice or just
I don't know. Slice it. Show us the good.
Yeah, let's see what's going on in here.
Pretzel bun gives you a little roadmap.
A little roadmap of what's actually taking place.
Yeah. Man, I tried that bacon jam off camera. Glory.
Is it?
Wow.
Well, we shall.
Come on now.
We shall.
You gonna stay standing? You always do this. I gotta stand with you.
Just come on up here.
Otherwise they
Come on
shoot
up,
up your
guys.
nostrils.
Yeah.
Huh. Huh. Huh.
That bacon jam
Is the Space Jam.
is the Space Jam.
Is it the Michael Jordan Space Jam or the LeBron James Space Jam?
There is no LeBron Space Jam.
You're dead to me, boy.
Money in the bank. If you do use Martin's, make sure that you toast the bun because this is a lot. If you don't like mustard, hold off on it. Add
the mustard
ketchup
and
if you
pretzel.
want.
I get the play, and I dig it.
This is fantastic. Let me know how I did in the comments. But speaking of which, it's time, my friends. We've arrived at CJ's favorite comments.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Welcome to the segment of the show where I screenshot comments from you, the viewers. If you guys write it,
we read it.
That's right. We all get to have ourselves a little fun, perhaps.
At your expense.
At my expense. So, starting from the top in no particular order. This is from Mesna539.
Mesna?
Mesna. Your videos are good. A little too good.
Oh.
Did the penguin make you do it?
It's too hot outside for
penguin to just be walking around.
No, Mr. Madison, they're not penguin. You got too much sun today. They're no penguin.
That was an
Mesna.
obscure reference.
Mesna for the
Mesna
win.
for the major win. Well played. All right, this one's from Cody Lake.
Hey, Cody.
Not nearly as fun or nice.
Uh-oh.
Cody says, it seems Blackstone has disconnect from their customer base. We're definitely interested in cooking ideas, but not flashy clips.
Well, they're flashy.
Was it like too flashy? Should I like put a notice like this may cause
Epilepsy?
Yeah. I don't remember them being that flashy, but they are funny.
Yeah.
Either way, Cody.
Yeah, I don't know about Cody.
I don't know about you, Cody.
Maybe you're not the base.
What?
He said they disconnected with their base customer.
Okay. Joseph, depends on if Sean Connery is talking, says, I want to ask a question about your contents.
Okay.
Why don't anybody in their video ever use vinegar or stock in their cooking? They use lots of water, and why don't anyone use Worcestershire sauce instead of oyster sauce? This stuff is expensive. Joseph,
we use all of those things.
Sheehan,
Joseph, watch the other shows,
I've used oyster sauce once. Like, one time, I've used oyster sauce.
We use vinegar a lot.
And Worcestershire does not belong in Chinese food.
Ooh.
You can't mix Mexican and continental.
Have a little garlic salt.
Joseph. Sorry, buddy.
Sorry, Joseph.
Can't be done. Can't be done. Oh, this is from XJM40.
Oh, it's my middle name.
Says, me and my wife had been binge watching your show while we were in the hospital.
Oh no.
It cheered us up quite a bit. My wife is undergoing treatment for her kidneys, for her kidney failure. Great show, great commentary, and
party on,
dudes.
That's amazing.
I don't know your
Cheers to
first
you.
name, but XJM40. I hope you're doing
Cheers.
well. I hope the treatment's going good, and I'm glad that we could give you a laugh. Seriously. All right, this is from Sabrina
The Teenage Witch.
Mikowski.
You don't know what that is.
That's weird.
And now
I mean, I've heard of it, but yeah, I certainly never watched it.
Okay.
little Jack Skellington over there. Look at those shorts.
Halloween, 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 Halloween.
In this town we call home, everyone hail
To the pumpkin song. La, 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 la.
No, I watched that.
What is it?
Corpse Bride?
Oh, man, you're dumb.
This is gonna be good.
Alright, this is fun from Sabrina. She says, a new subscriber. I enjoy your show. My only suggestion is more rings because my husband and I love to bring it. Love your
Whoa.
recipes and your show. Hey, CJ, did you know there's a radio station in Austin, Texas, 101X K-Rocks, where they have a segment, CJ, did you know?
What?
Just arrived in Austin from Houston and thought you should know.
Well,
That is a horse
give
of
a bell
different
ring for
color.
that. One for the radio station. What was her name again?
Sabrina,
Oh,
Teenage
for
Witch.
Sabrina. Any other ones?
Austin?
Ethan. Ethan Shorts.
La, 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 la. All right, this last one, here we are. This is from Yanita, or wait, Yantaya.
You need a friend?
Yes, I do. Yantai Buddha. I'm not making it up. Stop laughing.
I'm not laughing, you're laughing.
Yantai Buddha says, what a stupid video.
All that for that. Okay.
Oh my
All right.
gosh. Oh man.
All right.
Sorry. And that, my friends, is how we wrap up CJ's First Cooking Show. Thanks so much for hanging out with us.
Pretty
Let me
good
know
one.
what you guys think about this burger. There's a few elements that are kind of the game changers or certainly unique. Number one, obviously, that bacon jam. Holy cow.
Gorgeous.
It is now officially
Gorgeous.
my bacon jam. The pretzel bun. It's a more dense bun. Holds
Nice
up
whip.
to all that beef.
Good audible.
Goes really well with that mustard. I think it's a winner. So,
That's it.
that's it.
Welcome. Goodbye. I mean, it was fun.
If you guys want to put something up on the OG board, hit me up on Instagram. I'll give you a mailing address. If you didn't know, it's a party.
It's over.
Not really.
Party's over.
And this is CJ's First Cooking Show, where we
Quote.
That's right. Till next time.
Oh, little.
I know it's tough. Being a skeleton, ringing a bell.
La 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 la.